أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First we people read the noun and its kinds. For example, اسم بلهذا حالات, noun with respect to conditions or cases, noun with respect to extension, noun with respect to numbers, noun with respect to gender. Then furtherly the gender will divided into two types, muzakkar, muannas. Then muannas was divided into two types, qiyasi, simai. Due to all these topics, there are some words which cannot be identified or explained through these all topics. These words are Musa, Isa, etc. These are the words which cannot be identified through these all. For the identification of these words, we people today read a topic, اعراب سے اسماء کی پہچان. The identification of noun by اعراب. Now, this topic is divided into two parts. First one is morab, second is mabna. Morab is those nouns which can interchange in all three cases of اعراب. For example, fa'ili, maf'uli, izafi. Morab, and the other is mabna. Mabna is such a noun which can remain or retain same in all three conditions. For example, Musa, Isa. Furtherly, morab is divided into two parts. First one is munsarif and the second is ghair munsarif. Munsarif is such a noun which can interchange in all three conditions, and munsarif will be an adjectival noun. We have an example, abidun, the person which doing or praying the worship of someone is known as abid in Arabic language. Abidun in subjective case and singular noun. In objective case, it will be made abidan, and in genitive case or possessive case, it will be made abidin. Now it is concluded that this word can interchange in all the three conditions of Arab. Now this is such a noun or such a word is known as munsarif. The second is ghair munsarif, is such a noun which can interchange in two cases. First one is fa'ili and the second one is maf'uli and izafi combinedly. In subjective case, Ibrahimu, it will be made in maf'uli and izafi halat Ibrahima. In both cases, maf'uli and izafi, subjective and genitive, it will be same. For example, it will be made Ibrahima, and in genitive case, it will be Ibrahima. Second example is Ahmadu, Ahmada, Ahmadi, Jahannamu, Jahannama, Jahannama, Israelu, Israela, Israela. It cannot brought zera or kasra under it in izafi halat or in genitive case. Now the question arises that why it will be same in objective and genitive case. The answer to the question is that a personal noun, we will be discuss personal noun in ghair munsarif. A personal noun cannot be related into any other word. The other topic is mabna. Mabna is such a topic in which shows that all the nouns which are same in all three cases. For example, Musa, Isa. These are those words which will be same in any gender, same in any condition or in any condition. Have the examples from the Holy Quran. First one is fi nari jahannama. In this, fi is a preposition, nar is a part of a murakkab jari which we shall read in the next topic. And jahannama is a ghair munsarif, is a noun which will be same in objective and genitive case. The second example is min ali firauna. In this, min is preposition, al is majroor, which is the part of the next topic. Firauna is ghair munsarif because it will be same in objective and genitive case. Jazakumullah.